Remy's house.
We're not going to fucking Remy's house. Fucking Perv. Hey, Perv live. Damn, it feels good to be against it. This bitch like the cousin.
Heck yeah.
This bitch. Yeah.
Trying to get some.
Should we go to the... We have like two abandoned places around here.
Where?
The barnyard and then Chinito's house. But the Chinito's house somebody actually lives. Somebody actually lives there. Chinito's like Andrews.
Over there.
Tomato!
Stop.
Eddie. I think we're gonna go back. If not, we are definitely gonna go do something.
Leave in the comments.
Leave in the comments if you guys want us to go back or if you guys want us to go to the other place.
Dumb man.
This bitch still doesn't know.
They just put a tape on it. Because that dumb.
Watch. Watch. Isn't this sick? Watch. Show him the button. Go. That's sick.
That's it.
Fucking Donald Trump supporters. Look at this Camaro. Damn, boy.
Ferrari 2017.
Damn.
Ferrari 2017.
That Ferrari, damn! I'm just joking.
We live in Paris.
Look at that shit. We would always be scared to go this way. Well, there used to be a swing right there in that tree.
A what?
A swing.
Swing.
And then we never like going through here because last time there was like a shadow of.
When I'm hey.
You see me rolling.
How you doing?
Please
But-
give 1,000 likes to this video.
Yeah, 1,000 likes, huh? Shit, the guy's here. We threw carrots at that car right there, the white one. We threw
Fuck that
carrots
car.
at it. He tried to run us over like 3 times already.
Some stuff in shit.
What does it smell like? Bro.
Fuck this shit. Wasn't me. We are actually going to the other place that we hate going through. It's right there. That little space right there because there's like literally no lights except the lighthouses. Like right
we
there.
need to do something like kid. The neighbors, my neighbors.
Yeah.
Like we should plant some All of us.
Fuck it.
All of us and who else? Who else are we using to hang out with?
Another one, bro. Another kid.
Holy
fuck, boy.
Look at this shit, dude.
Dark, nigga.
Fuck this shit. Look.
And this is not fake.
This is not fake. This is not one of those
This
fucking
is how it clowns right here, bro.
shit. Fuck this shit. I'm not going through here. Look, 1, 2, and those lights aren't even that freaking.
Not that bright.
Yeah, they're not even that bright. But fuck it, let's go. We're doing it for the supporters, for the views, for the likes, for everything. I'm kind of more calm because you guys are with me, but
No, they won't say nothing.
It was supposed to be a joke.
oh my god.
Hey, we should do that. Make videos. Pretend we're cops. Be
Yeah.
like, sir, come here. Or like in a car passes by, just point the light at it.
What the fuck is that character? Shit, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh shit, the fucking doctor coming. I think Carlos. Oh, I think Carlos has to go in.
I said okay. Who's your name?
Alright. Alright. Carlos is leaving.
We're gonna keep on looking.
H is here. Chava's here. And I'm here.
He's a little just like a.
You can't tell her anything? Like, you don't want to go inside?
Yeah, I'll get it going. I won't come out.
Oh. Alright.
I mean, I can see if I can just be right here in the front.
Alright.
Yes,
Alright. Yeah.
what are we gonna do then? Bar?
Well, I mean, I don't know, cause I wanna
We
go
just make a
explore.
crossword challenge video.
Yeah, make me score all the time.
Alright. That'll be all for right now.
Yes or no?
We'll probably do another of these haunted farm videos, whatever. But we're probably, yeah, clowns. We're probably gonna go to different places, not just that place. So, yeah, see you guys
Subscribe.
next time.